Aprajita Srivastava from WDF University. I'm going to talk about seed quality and certification. Among all inputs in agriculture, seed is the critical, vital and the most important input. India has made significant advance in agriculture in the last 4 decades, in which role of the seed sector has been substantial. The Indian seed industry is currently valued about rupees 6,500 crores. There are about 150 to 200 organized seed companies existing in India today. The present seed replacement rate is around 15 to 20% for various crops. This SRR level has to be increased to 25%, proposed 35%, in self-pollinated crops, 33% in cross-pollinated crops, proposed 50%, and 100% for hybrid crops in order to increase sustainable agriculture production and productivity for achieving food, nutritional, and social security. Making quality seeds available is going to be one of the most important challenges before us. India has sizable public and private sector seed businesses. Giant public sector players include the National Seeds Corporation, NSC, the State Farms Corporation of India, SFCI, and 13 state seed corporations, SSCs. Seed quality control. Quality control is an important component of the seed program. There are 2 aspects of quality control. Firstly, the genetic purity of the seed maintained during the production and marketing. Secondly, it should have adequate qualities like germination and physical purity, free from weed seeds, disease, and have optimal moisture content. Variety release systems aims to make only those varieties of proven value available to farmers through the formal seed system. Seed certification aims to control the varietal identity and purity throughout the seed chain. Seed quality control checks on other seed characteristics such as viability, purity, and seed health. Seed quality control also aims at protecting bona fide seed producers from competition by less scrupulous colleagues. Seed certification. Government of India established certification agencies for the states under Section 8 of the Seeds Act 1966 and registered under the Societies Act 1886. Truthfully labeled seeds should carry opal green color tag. Validity period of the certificate. The validity period of the seed lot will be 9 months from the date of test at the time of initial certification.